Hello my fiber art friends. The last time we met we learned how to knit, and I've gone ahead and I've knitted what could be a bookmark, just a number of rows there, and I knitted both sides, which means I just used that one stitch throughout this whole project, and that is called the garter stitch. In today's video we're going to learn how to take the stitches off, and that is called casting off. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to knit 2 stitches. That's the only thing that you need to keep in mind, is that everything's going to happen by twos, just like the animals on Noah's Ark. So there's our first stitch, and we're going to go ahead and knit our second stitch. So now I have 2 stitches on my right needle. And I'm going to take the first stitch that we did, the one at the back, and I'm just going to scoop it up with my left needle and bring it over top of that second stitch and take it off. Let's try that again. I need to be working in twos. I only have 1 stitch on this needle, so I'm going to knit the next stitch, and I'm just going to scoop up that bottom stitch. You could easily do this with your finger. I just like using my left needle, and you're going to bring it over top of the other stitch that you have there, and then just take it off. Let's just give a little tug. We need to have 2 stitches on our right needle at all times, so I go ahead and knit another stitch from my left needle, and I pull that back stitch up and off. Knit another stitch, take the second one, up, over, and off. And now I go to my last one. Now I'm down to my 1 remaining stitch. Alright, so we have that 1 stitch left. So we're just going to cut off the yarn. We don't need our yarn anymore. And when we take this off of our needle, just take the yarn and put it through the stitch and pull. And that makes a little knot, and you are done. To tidy things up, I would just sew this thread into your knitting and sew that one as well. Cut off any remaining threads, and you've got a nice simple bookmark. Congratulations, your first project is done.